left wrist on Crow look like a back knife.
Pharaoh, what poppin', my nigga?
Barrett got it on the beat.
That boy is good.
I went ahead and put on my alternator and went ahead and hooked up my wire. So I ain't gotta worry about that when I put the head on. I already put in this tube right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the other tube on this side that drops in there. And yeah, we're coming along, gang. I told y'all, it's easy going back with stuff. There it is, taking it off. All right, gang, so all the timing chain, cover bolts are tight, alternator on, plus the harness and connector booted up. The coolant tubes back in. And the only thing I got left on this side that I can do is put the AC compressor back up there, which I think I'm gonna try to do, but I think I gotta go under the car to finesse the other stuff. Just like that, gang. The front of the motor has all the accessories on, except for the belt. I'm gonna get me a new thermostat, like I already told y'all. I'm going back with a 180 because I'm tuned for a 180. All my pulleys on, tensioner on. Only thing I gotta put on now is the balancer back on the front, and after that, we should be good. Alternator on, good and stable. AC compressor on, good and stable. Just gotta put this on when I put my heads on, but everything else is done. We close, gang. We just put the heads on with the long tube headers. Heads on with the long tube headers. Hook all my goddamn sensors up. Put the push rods in. Rocker arm. Put the negatives back on. So this really supposed to go behind here. Put the negatives back on, this side go behind here. This goes into the intake manifold, this goes into the intake manifold. So everything is there, man. Pretty much done, man, as you see. So like I said in every video, man, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like. We do our own work, gang. That's the end of this video, man. Catch y'all next time.